Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a review on this Nars. This says Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. So this is an eyeshadow primer, but they came out with this just recently. And so I thought I would open it up and put it to the test and show you guys what it looks like on the eye up close, and does it actually crease. I am help coaching our team's tennis tournament today. This is the ultimate test to any eyeshadow primer. I can't think of a better way to test it. So if you guys are wondering if this is good, let's get to that video clip of it really close to the eye and then the aftermath, which that's what you guys are really here to see. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it on this eye. It looks like it is a transparent color. It comes out white, but then when you push it onto the eye, it is obviously a clear color. It does have like that creamy consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry and then go ahead and put on my eyeshadow. Okay guys, so the eyeshadow primer has dried down. Now when you actually run your finger on top of your skin here, it does feel like my eyelids are more dry. It feels like that. But then again, like I don't feel like there's anything on my eyes. It's just when you actually put your finger onto the skin, you can feel that there is a little bit of a drying agent. So that could be a good thing. Let's check in a little bit. Okay guys, so the eyeshadow primer's been on for a few hours, but we're about to go outside and start the tournament. So I will let you guys know whether it creases later or not. Okay guys, so it has been 8 hours I've been wearing my eyeshadow and I haven't even checked on it. Wow, let me look. 8 hours like wearing this eyeshadow, sweating. I mean, obviously, look at this. Sweating my butt off. Is it creased? Does it come off my fingers? No. Wow, that is freaking impressive. So I'm actually gonna say, and I can't even tell you like how much I sweat today. Look I just look like greasy all over. This is an amazing product. So I would recommend this. I think it's a great product. It doesn't have any color to it. So if you prefer something looking more natural, if you want your eyeshadows to look more natural and not have a really, really white base to it, I would definitely try this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Guys, I just got out of the shower and did want to turn on the camera and tell you. So like when I use the Urban Decay, it doesn't do this, but I was washing my face and I was like, why is it that this felt sticky? I was just using soap and water and this kind of felt sticky as I'm trying to remove it. But then when like my face is dry now, it's almost like it still feels like when I put my finger, I mean, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin, but when you touch it, it actually feels like the area in my eyes are still dry. Like almost like when you put a deodorant on and how your skin gets that dry feel. It feels dry like that, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and put some moisturizers on top of it. I'm just gonna tell you that I think this is a fantastic product, but I do feel like once you remove it, you will have to put some moisturizer on top of your skin just to kind of prevent any wrinkles or any of that nonsense that we don't want.